guys, Carlos that's going to be assisting me today. What we're going to be using is a porta cable with 500 grit pad, and we're going to be using Chemical Guys V107, the V07 detailing spray. That's what we're going to be using, a detailing spray. So what we do is we'll wet the headlight first, and basically wet the pad a little, and then we're gonna go put the machine on 6 and go over the headlight. See, we taped off around the headlight. So we're just wet sanding it right now. So what this is gonna do is it's gonna take off all the oxidation that's on the headlight lens, all the yellow stuff. It's gonna come off. It's just sanding it down. So as you use the 500 grit, the 1000 grit, the 2000 grit, the 3000 grit, the 4000 grit, and what it does is that it turns the scratches from big scratches like what you see now to where the lens turns cloudy to makes it clear. So after we finish this process of sanding, right now it's just 500 grit that we're using. He went over it, or pass over the top and then the bottom, and then we're gonna move on to the next step, which is 1000 grit, doing the same process. All right, so right now he's just spraying the headlight again, just making it, just wetting it. So now he's gonna use this is 1000 grit pad. So he's gonna go over the top of the headlight with the porta cable, sanding it down. Then he's gonna go through the bottom half afterwards. When he gets to the end on this side, he's going to go down and do the bottom part to get it on. Well, to wet sand it, the bottom part. And then we're going to move on to 2000 grit. Alright. Okay, so now he's spraying it again. Now we're going to be using 2000 grit. As you guys can see, the clarity of the lens already, it's getting clearer as we go over it. Doing the top part first. Over the bottom half. That's it. Now we move on to 3000 grit. So now he's spraying it again. As you guys can see, the clarity of the lens already. We're going to go up to 3000 grit now. That's what we have on the machine, and we're going to be going over it the same way we went over it. Now moving to 4000 grit. So now we're moving on to 4000 grit. This is the last step of sanding before we polish it out with the compound and polish. That's it for the wet sanding. So right now he's just spraying it to clean off any excess shavings on it. And right now the headlight is like super smooth. So now we're just going to use the compound Gonna use the compound with a flex polisher with an orange cutting pad. This one we already finished already. This one's good. This one is just the sealant's drying. Leaving the sealant on, that's to protect it from turning yellow again. So I'm gonna go back over to this and move on to the next step. So now we got the rubbing compound with the orange pad, dabbing it on the headlight to move over the compound, to spread the compound out. And now we're gonna polish it out. So this is the moment of truth. Just go over slowly. Then go down and come back to the bottom path. That's it. And you just wipe it off. Yeah. Just a little excess compound just got stuck here. So what we'll use is the detail spray, a little bit of detail spray on the headlight lens, and it'll take off whatever excess compound that's left on it after compounding the lens. Now I'm just gonna put some polish on because we wiped off the lens from the compound. So now we're gonna dab it on the lens.
That's now which one?
And polish it out. So this one, you keep polishing it until it turns clear. You'll see it'll break down and then it'll turn clear. Take your time. See, now the polish is turning clear. Now the polish is clear. Just gotta wipe off the excess polish, and that'll be your final result. And then you put some sealant on it, and you're good to go. So right now, it's just wiping polish. As you can see, it's a little warm because of the polish. So you just get a little detailing spray, spray a little detail spray on it, and then just wipe it off with a rag, and it should take off all the excess polish that's on it. So the headlight went from as dirty as it was before to this. Super clean. Now we just add some sealant onto it to stop it from turning yellow again. And we're good to go. I'm gonna show you guys that. What I use is little jetseal and a little pad, and then we just apply it over. Just apply a little to the pad. Nope. Just like so. And then you just wipe it onto the lens to give it like a coating all the way around, an even coating. Then you get like right up here. And that's it. You let it sit for 20 minutes and then wipe it off. Okay, so this one is done here. So we're gonna wipe this one off right now because the jet seal's been on it for about 20 minutes. So this one was already finished off. Look how beautiful it is. And it adds a shine, extra shine to the lens also. after using it. Look at the finished product for this one. It's beautiful. Same way that one looked on the other side over here, it's the same way this one looked. Look at that. I wanted to make this video for you guys because a lot of you guys was asking, you know, you always do it but you never show the full process, so I'm showing you guys the process. So you count after 20 minutes, you just wipe it off, and then you're good to go. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Peace.